ochuka. Kawachako en jatend migao mar pur mogwel Andrew Karanja othirni en okung'eyo jatend migao machon mar pur Linturi kendo kata pok ne giromo kaka gisebedo kata kaka osebedo kaliekore ni ne en jating' dai mare. Karanja noyango magi kinde mane ida dhoge kawuono kod komiti mochung'ne chenro mag gwelo e bura mamalo. Komiti no bende noda dhog Erick Muriithi mowale migao mar pi. Kata bedo ni en emotin mogik e jotend migepe mowale sirikand Kenya Kwanza, Muriithi osingo mar tiyo tich maler kendo bero chenro mag pi kod kuoro pi e puothe pachoka. Chenro mar dadho jotend migepe mowal no dhi nyime kawuono e County Hall boma ma Nairobi. Andrew Karanja mowale migao mar pur kod Erick Muriithi mowale migao mar pi gin mokuom jotelo manodadho gi kawuono. Andrew Karanja emano bedo jal mokwongo manochopo e nyim komiti no. Karanja olero lony mar arieya ma entiere godo e chenro mag pur tok tiyo e sectors mopogore mag pur e sekta mar sirikal ma pachoka.
I joined Tegemeo Institute of Jatend University, where I worked for about 1.5 years, doing mainly work on policy on dairy. And it was seminar work which was informed the liberalization of the dairy sector. I went on to join the World Bank in Nairobi as a senior agriculture economist and task team leader for the portfolio in Kenya, working also in Tanzania, Ethiopia, Uganda and Rwanda.
Karanja bende nokawo thuoloni mar lero ni onge kod tudruok moro amora kod jatend migao machon mar pur Linturi kaka osebedo kawachore.
Were you Linturi's personal assistant at any point, or have you worked with him in the ministry?
For the record, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable members, I have never met the former honorable Minister for Agriculture. I have never been a PA.
Jatend Linturi e migao mar pur nokikore gi mibadhi mar mbolea mabandia. Jatend migao mogwel ni olero rieo sekta mar chiwo mbolea manengone oyueyo.
Yes, there are cartels. There was issues last year, the last season, in terms of the quality of the fertilizer, the distribution of the fertilizer. And I would handle, if approved by this committee and the House, this is one of the areas which I would like to work hands-on to make sure that the farmers are getting the right fertilizer at the right time and the quality is okay.
Karanja bende ogolo siem mager ne achudhe kolero ni kopwodhe to biro tieko mibadhi e sekta no.
I'm saying I'm giving a notice on cartels. Notice that they will be out of business. We will do whatever it takes.
Utatembea na nyundo.
I will do whatever it takes, Mr. Speaker, to deal with them.
Komachielo jatend migao mowale migao mar pi Erick Muriithi bende nochopo e nyim komiti mar od bura.
I'm born in a family with 6 siblings. I'm the third born. I am married. And I've worked for 8 to 9 years, Honorable Speaker, on water and sanitation.
Bedo ni ojaigni 32 kende kendo ene motine e jotend migepe mowal. Muriithi olero ni mano kik mi jo Kenya par ni ok onyal tiyo makare kosingo doyo oko mibadhi mokwako sekta mar pi e pachoka.
I think don't look at the size and think you can easily intimidate me. So I'm comfortable in my shoes. I think I have proven that for many years that I've lived. And if my nomination is approved by this House, I will engage in my duties, bracing and embracing integrity, honesty and accountability to lead from the front. And if there are couplets, and I would expect the same from state officers under my mandate in the ministry. And if any of them is found capable of this, the law should be followed to the latter.
Eriko yango ni mwanune romo shillings $131 kowuok kuom pur.
My net worth is that 1 million Kenya shillings.
That 1 million. What is it made of? You've done much better than your age mates.
I come from a region that is engaged in farming.
Yes.
So I've invested in lands and planted crops, tea, if you've been to the region.
Yes.
Coffee, bananas, and other...
Mira.
Definitely.
Yes.